What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I'm gonna introduce y'all to the new project. It's a little wreck. It's a little mess. Don't mind, we got a pool table now in the shop. There she is. It's gonna be a long, steady working project. But we'll see how she turns out. She needs a new motor, new tranny, new diff, a lot of new parts, or used from the junkyard, don't matter, just to get it running. New windshield, of course, because that's a little side piece window, and some interior parts. But from this stage, it's still gonna get more torn down, cleaned up, painted. We'll see where she ends up. So stay tuned for the project, and this is basically day one of it. So please keep on supporting the channel. I know it's been a while since I posted a video. Been busy, life happens, but here it is. All right, see you on the next one.